Those who want to pick these stocks in the stock market, they need to first understand which kind of businesses can emerge in upcoming 10 years. See, before you pick any businesses, I would like to share one important message with you. Always focus on companies which are there to solve the problems. For example, if you are entering into a rainy season, companies which are providing you umbrella, they are solving your problems and they are making money as well. And let's take another example as well. If you are entering into a winter season, then companies who are offering woolen clothes, they are solving your problem by providing woolen clothes, right? And they are making profits. Third scenario, if you are entering into a summer season, you explore air conditions so that you can select a best air condition for your home and you can chill and relax. So companies who are making white goods, electronics like air condition, they are definitely making profits, and all these things we observe. Similarly, in these days, there is one sector which is actually undergoing through a transformation, which is automobile. Because people became very much techy and they don't want the traditional petrol and diesel engines to be part of their life. They are more inclined towards electric vehicles. Now, the only challenge with electric vehicles is the lack of charging stations. So there is one company, Servotech Power Systems Limited, NSE symbol is Servotech, which is actually creating LED bulbs, lights, UPS inverters, and they are also creating oxygen concentrators. So this shows they have a very good experience and they are very keen towards greener future as well. And at the same time, this is getting reflected in company stock as well. If you see the 1 year returns, you can able to find that there are 300% plus returns made from this company stock. If you go with the 6 months return, it is around 200% returns. So they are very good and decent returns which investors made from this company stock. Now let's talk about some key statistics. When I'm creating this video, company's market capitalization stands at 1,623 crores. Stock PE 114. This is a bit on the higher side certainly. If we see the current price, it is around 76 rupees. If we talk about high and low, 100 rupees is the high and 12 rupees 60 paise is the low. See, dividend yield is not so good because this is emerging company and they reinvest their profits to grow their businesses. If we talk about book value, it stands at 3 rupees 77 paise. ROC and ROE both are positive and they are very decent numbers as well. If we talk about face value, it is rupees 1 because recently company actually came up with lots of corporate action, and we will discuss about this in some other video. Now, even if you see the technical movement of this company's stock proved a consistency in its journey, because if we see the 200 days moving average line and stock movement, it is evident that company stock always traded about 200 days moving average line, which shows very good strength in company stock. And even quarterly numbers are very good. If you compare year-on-year basis, sales numbers, revenue numbers, they are positive. If you compare net profit numbers year-on-year basis, they are again positive. On top of that, neither company reported loss in any of the quarter nor in any of the year. Now on October 13th, 2023, stock achieved 5% gain in its intraday movement. So I was very much curious to know what is actually behind this gain. I came to know about one important notification which got published on NSE website, where company announced an agreement with a Kuwait-based power solution firm that they entered into an agreement with Encore Power Solutions to make 1,000 special stations where electric cars can be charged in India. And in this notification, I found company signed MOU with Encore Power Solution, which is an Indian business startup of Encore International, which is a renowned Kuwait-based general trading company. And under this MOU, Encore Power Solutions commits to provide 1,000 charging power operators, which we can call it as a CPO, sites in India. These sites will serve as the foundation of the installation of EV chargers, and Servotech Power Systems will manufacture and install 30 kilowatt to 60 kilowatt, even with a higher capacity DC fast EV chargers to cater to the varying power requirements. And this project will get executed in the phased manner. First, they will start with 100 DC EV fast chargers from South India, and later on they will definitely expand it and hit this 1,000 number. So considering the fact that India is making a lot of efforts to promote and develop electric vehicle infrastructure, I believe this is a very positive step, not only for the company but for the environment as well. And as I said earlier, that companies who are actually in the business of providing solutions to the problems, they will definitely make money in the long term. But this is my opinion. Please don't consider this video as any kind of a buy or sell recommendation. I only share the content on this channel for the information purpose, so you remain updated on all corporate events. If you like my initiative, do like this video. Also hit that subscribe button so you can keep getting all the video updates from this channel. Please don't consider our content as an investment advice. Any investment advice you should take only from your registered investment advisor. With this, let's conclude today's video over here. We will meet with you again with different emerging company with different set of update. Till then, stay tuned. stay healthy.